In this video, we will show you how to replace your power window and door lock switch on this Dodge Dakota. This will be located on your door panel. Let's get started. To remove this, we'll use a plastic trim tool. We're going to carefully come up along this backside and gently separate it from the panel. As we lift it up, there's going to be a hook along this forward side, so we need to come up diagonally and pull it up and out. Now we can move along to disconnecting the electrical connector. On it, you'll find that you have a rectangular squeeze tab. Go ahead and squeeze that in and pull off the electrical connector. We'll give that a quick check for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, you can set that aside. Now we can move along to this area. You'll notice that the switch is held in place with 4 locking tabs making their way around. To remove this, we'll use a small pocket screwdriver. Get in between the switch assembly and this plastic panel and gently pry without damaging anything. As we're prying, we're going to try to separate this a little bit. Once you have one side out of there, we're going to go ahead and turn it over and do the same thing to the other. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new window and door lock switch. We'll take this and put it right into the door panel trim. You want to make sure you have it in this orientation. Press it in, paying attention to each of the 4 locking tabs. Once you're sure all of those are in place, we'll continue on with the wiring harness. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure that's secure. Continue on to putting this in place. You remember, as we were pulling it out, we had the tab that goes under the door panel, so we're going to come in at an angle and slide it down and in. Make sure it's secured all the way around. At this point, you can go ahead and put the key in the on position and test its functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.